E aí galera, beleza? Aqui quem tá falando é o Rafael. E hoje eu vim trazer, sabe o que? Só pra eu me cagar mais um pouquinho. Olha aqui pra trás, olha aqui pra trás. Five Nights at Freddy's Sister Location. Mas eu acho que só tem uma noite. Então laguei. Vamos pro jogo.
Welcome to the first day of your exciting new career. I will be your personal guide to help you get started. I'm a Model 5 of the Handyman's Robotics and Unit Repair System, but you can call me Hand Unit.
Para de falar.
Welcome, Eggs Benedict.
Ai galera, já comecei a ficar com medo. Só por causa da musiquinha. Onde que acende a luz?
You can now open the elevator using that bright,
Para de
red,
falar.
and obvious button. Let's get to work.
Tá galera, tô com medo. Isso daqui foi muito bem feito, galera. Por que eu tô com slow nisso? Que estranho, né, galera? Não tá fazendo nada. Eita, galera.
Allow me to fill this somewhat frightening silence with some light-hearted banter. Due to the massive success, and even more so the unfortunate closing of Freddy Fazbear's Pizza, it was clear that the stage was set, no
Nossa,
pun
galera,
intended,
não
for
sabia
another
que tinha
contender in
aquele, né?
children's entertainment. Unlike most entertainment venues, our robotic entertainers are rented out for private parties during the day.
Caraca,
And it's
galera,
your
que
job
mapa
to
bem
get the
feito.
robots back in proper working order before the following morning. You are now in the primary control module. View the window to your left. This is the Ballora Gallery Party Room and Dance Studio. Let's turn on the light and see if Ballora is on stage. Press the blue button on the keypad to your left.
Da hora, galera.
Uh-oh. It looks like Ballora doesn't feel like dancing. Let's give her some motivation. Press the red button to administer a controlled shock. Maybe that will put the spring back in her step.
Galera do céu, viu? Nada aconteceu por enquanto, né? Por enquanto. O que é pra fazer, galera?
Let's check the light again.
Susto.
Excellent. Ballora is feeling like her old self again and will be ready to perform again tomorrow. Now view the window to your right. This is the Funtime Auditorium, where Funtime Foxy encourages kids to play and share. Try the light. Let's see what Funtime Foxy is up to.
Amigo, não entendi inglês.
Looks like Funtime Foxy is taking the day off. Let's motivate Funtime Foxy with a controlled shock.
O que tem a Fox, cara? Tô ficando com medo disso aqui.
Let's try another controlled shock. Looks like Funtime Foxy is in perfect working order. Great job. In front of you is another vent shaft. Crawl through it to reach the Circus Gallery control module.
Tem a Fox. Jesus, grila. Galera, eu tô com medo. O que é pra eu fazer agora? Aqui, galera. Nossa, que estranho isso daqui, hein, galera. Vem devagarzinho, na manhinha, pra não acontecer nada.
On the other side of the glass is Circus Baby's auditorium. Let's check the light and see what Baby is up to. Looks like a few of the lights are out, but we can fix that later. Let's encourage Baby to cheer up with a controlled shock.
Caramba, susto.
Let's try another controlled shock.
Que coisa!
Let's try another controlled shock.
Galera, já tô ficando irritado.
Great job, Circus Baby. We knew we could count on you. That concludes your duties for your first night on the job. We don't want you to leave overwhelmed, otherwise you might not come back. Please leave using the vent behind you, and we'll see you again tomorrow.
Eu tô com medo, galera. Isso aqui tá caindo aos pedaços, galera. Esqueci de mostrar um negócio, galera. Olha, galera. Então, galera, esse foi o vídeo. Espero que vocês tenham gostado. Se vocês gostaram, deixa o like, se inscreve no canal.